Just when you think that liberals can't get any more stupid on the topic of race, California goes and passes a completely unconstitutional bill that mandates judges to consider race during sentencing. Let's get into it. In accordance with the advice of California's Racial Reparations Task Force, Democrats in California have gone even further in violating constitutional law in the name of anti-racism. I think Democrats feel that they can get anything passed as long as they put the word racism into it. The California House of Representatives has passed a blatantly unconstitutional and racist bill that will mandate courts to consider race when issuing sentencing decisions. Assembly Bill 852, introduced by Democrat state lawmakers, would require courts, whenever they have discretion to determine a sentence, to consider the disparate impact on historically disenfranchised and system-impacted populations with the goal of rectifying racial bias. So what the bill does is it says that if you are a victim of violent crime, say, and your attacker has just been convicted of that crime, no matter what your race as the victim, they want to mandate that judges go easy on the people of color or black defendants, if you will, in order to justify some racial injustice in the past that didn't happen to these people and had nothing to do with the current victims of their crimes. This is lunacy. I doubt even BLM would try to get away with such a flagrantly racist idea. The California House has decided to make it legal to penalize black people less harshly than white people. This is not some bizarre task force. It constitutes one half of California's legislative body. They have passed legislation requiring racism in the courts. Folks, I want you to think about that. Bill 852 was passed in the House during the May legislative session and is now being reviewed by the state Senate. This is, of course, blatantly unconstitutional. Let's go over the Democratic Party's history, shall we? The Democratic Party defended slavery. They started the Civil War. The Democrats opposed Reconstruction. They founded the Ku Klux Klan. They imposed segregation. They created black codes, perpetrated lynchings, created poll taxes to vote, and fought against the Civil Rights Acts of the 1950s and 1960s. They were for school busing, get this, because they thought that if you made a black kid sit next to a white kid in the classroom, the white kid's intelligence would rub off on the black kid. They really believed that. But it's refreshing to see that the Democrats no longer care about the Constitution. It's also wonderful to see that they're so blatantly racist, because in time, most Americans will come to see it as well. And hopefully, that will cause the party's demise. The Democrats were the party of segregation for 101 years. And now in 2023, they're back. All right. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.